Here I have DUODUOGO J6 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the backup and reset, and here you have to select the last option, factory data reset, then tap reset phone, and at last tap on erase everything, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.